Hey YouTube, we'll be giving away a new iPad Pro 2021 to one of our subscriber who gives the right answer to our question. Today's question is how many red dots you see in this video. Make sure watch the full video and answer the question and comment how many red dots you see in this entire video. We select the winner randomly worldwide. This is real giveaway and we have already given more than 15 iPhones so far. You can see the winners list on our Instagram page. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. 2. Like this video and comment down. 3. And last, like our Instagram page where we announce the winner name. Don't worry, if you don't have the Instagram, just keep eye on it. Instagram link is in description. If you help us promoting our channel, we'll give you an AirPod for free.